Hey everyone, welcome to Bytesector. My name's Chris, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the latest gadget to hit the Bytesector labs. It sits in this box and we're going to cover it on the other side of the break. Without further ado, let's get into it. GoPro has sent us their latest action camera, the HERO9 Black, and I can't tell you how excited I am. Last year they introduced this whole concept of mods, and there's so much to these cameras, and we didn't get an opportunity last year to review the Hero 8, but this year GoPro was kind enough to send us the HERO9 Black, and I can't wait to bring you a comprehensive review. But today we're just taking it out of the box, seeing what it comes with, and seeing the packaging. So the first thing I notice about the HERO9 Black that differs from the last Hero that I bought, and trust me, it was a while ago, is a Hero 3 Plus. This came kind of in a plastic pedestal box sitting on top of some cardboard, and it looked great. It kind of was this showcase piece, but its time has come and gone. Now, in fact, we're gonna leave it there. Now, the Hero 9 comes with its own hard case. We can see it right in the packaging here, and I think that's great. You've given me something to transport not just the camera, but the charger and everything else that goes with it. So let's crack this puppy open. Nice, convenient, don't need a tool to open it. There's a pull tab on the bottom there, pulls open. I'm just gonna toss that on the floor. I'll clean it up later. And the flaps open up. And then we are given our case, which already I'm loving. So a beautiful box. We're gonna put that on the floor there. The case is GoPro branded. You're never gonna forget what it was for. It's pretty firm, just grabbing here. As we open it up, inside we've got our camera, we've got our cables, our mounts, our battery. In the top here we have some documentation. So we've got subscribe to GoPro and their services online for storage. We've got some instructions, download the app, how to install the battery, how to charge the camera, and how to power it on, and some basic modes. And on the back, we have how to mount it and 3 GoPro stickers, which is kind of nice, especially if you're a long-time GoPro fan. And lastly, we have what looks like product and safety instructions. So ideally all this is digitized in the future. I mean, I barely read these things, so, but you know, for those who want a paper reference. So like I said, we've got our battery here. I love that they've kind of color coded it with blue. It kind of adds a nice accent. I mean, it is only a battery, but yeah, it looks good. We have a Type A to Type C USB cable. That's for charging and data transfer off the camera. Then we've got a single mount with the double-sided tape on the back so that you can mount this. It does have a slight, let's see now, slight curve to it. I don't know if you can really get that out of the image there, but against the white it might be a little more visible. So this would be good for mounting on, let's say, a helmet or another curved surface. And then we've got our shoe, which is what the camera mounts into, and the appropriate piece there. So, and let me just close the lid there so that we have some white. So, and that's what the camera mounts into. Those are our accessories. But what we really care about is right here. This is the HERO9 Black. And below that, not much. We've just got a nice soft padded case under the casing here. So we'll leave that there for now. So, we'll close the case, we'll put it off to the side. The HERO9 Black. It looks nice. Like I said, I have been absent from the latest releases of the GoPro Heroes. So this feels larger and thicker than my Hero 3 Plus, but you know what? This packs in a lot more, and the best part is it doesn't require a housing or a case around it to make it weatherproof or waterproof, which is possibly one of the best things about the latest generations of Hero cameras from GoPro. So we've got lovely stickers, which I am gonna just enjoy peeling off here. Look at that camera lens come out. Oh, beautiful. So that's the camera lens. This can be swapped out for an ultra-wide lens that they call the Max lens. Looks awesome though, as it is. We have our front display, which is going to be awesome for vloggers and people who are doing action sports where they want to actually see what they're filming while they're filming themselves and make sure that everything is framed properly. On the back, we have a gigantic touchscreen, which is just going to make it so much easier to navigate the interface than previous generations. I really like it. So let's just peel this off here. They've made it really easy. There are pull tabs on everything. And as I say that, I struggle here a bit, but I did just cut my nails a couple days ago, so that's probably why this is a little more difficult than it should have been. So, without smudging any of the beautiful surfaces, we'll take that off. We have a beautiful camera, a rubberized housing. I love this. The front is very rubbery, not so much the sides, but they still have some grab to them. And then there's a rubber surround on the touchscreen on the back. And then, you know, just because I know we all love peels, you know we love peels. That's just awesome. That there's so much satisfaction in that. The one thing that is, you know, recent and a change are the fingers on the bottom. This way you can have kind of your choice as to how you want to mount this camera. But the fingers pull out of the bottom like that. I love it. We'll get into that later. This is pretty much it. You've got a shutter button. You've got your power and mode button on the side. This is a drain, as far as I can recall. And then this side is where we've got our memory card and our battery. Pulls down and opens up. Yep, battery slot, and then a tiny little slot on the side. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little slot on this side for the micro SD card. And then, obviously, in the bottom there, the USB Type-C port. So, again, I'm excited to bring you guys a review, to get out on my bike and take this on some trails and see how well the image quality is and the Hyper Smooth 3 and everything that GoPro has kind of brought us in the HERO9 Black. But for now, you guys are going to have to be satisfied with the unboxing. We'll bring you a review as soon as we can. It's kind of unfortunate that the camera didn't arrive a couple days earlier because today is probably the last summery day where I live. It's 25 degrees Celsius outside, it's sunny, it's warm, and tomorrow it's going to drop back down to somewhere between 6 and 8 degrees, so that sucks. But you know what? That doesn't stop me from getting out on the bike and taking to the trails. You got to do what you got to do, right? Anyways, guys, that's the end of the unboxing for today. This is the GoPro HERO9 Black. I can't wait to hit the trails, try this thing out, form some opinions, and bring them back to you in the form of our review. Till then, you guys have a great day, and we'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching today's video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs down. Leave us a comment below letting us know what we can improve for next time. But if you did like it, give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell beside it so that you get notified the next time we post a video. Don't forget to follow us on social media. We're on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Have a great day, and we'll see you all next time.